Hey everybody, Pamela here for your 1 minute legal issue. And today in California, it is raining and it is cold, so I am all bundled up. Today we're going to talk about how you save money and we attorneys save time. So the first thing that you can do to save you money is when you're filling out the application for services for your attorney, make sure that you fill it out very thoroughly. The more information that you put in it, the less paperwork that I have to go through looking for the answers, and the less time that I have to spend sending you emails or setting up phone calls to get the information. So it's going to save you money and me time. The second thing is that if you do have an agreement with your partner, make sure that you send over those bullet points to your attorney and kind of go through the forms yourself to see what areas need to be covered. That way, again, I'm not on the phone with you going through the forms, especially the 341 for children, where we have the attachments C and D, for example, and E, which are typical attachments to an agreement, as well as the forms related to support, FL 342 and 343 for spousal, and then there's the property division form for FL 345. So if you look at those in advance, then you're going to know more of the details that you want to bullet point in an agreement, and you can send over that information to your attorney so that when we're drafting the marital settlement agreement or stipulated judgment, it's going to take us significantly less time if you are already carved out and gone through what agreements you want to include. The third thing is that if you're not in agreement and we're going to court, if you draft a declaration on your own, it saves us a ton of time because we can read it and then we can get rid of the things that shouldn't be included. We can help you reword it. We can do all of the things to make it pretty and focus on what the judge is actually looking for without having to have a 2-hour meeting with you first and then use our notes to spend another 2 hours drafting it. So you're going to save a ton of money and a ton of time if you do these three things. You fill out the application very thoroughly. You have any agreements that are very thorough, and you've already looked at the forms that we're going to be using because we use a lot of that same information from the forms to put into a written marital settlement agreement or other type of custody agreement, as well as you have gone and made sure that for a declaration, you kind of give us all of your thoughts in writing so that we can save having a 2-hour meeting and we can just organize it. So that's going to save you a lot of money. Good luck. And go ahead and subscribe here, follow me on Instagram, and also give me a DM on Instagram if you need assistance with a California custody case or a divorce.